Hi guys, this is a recent piece of content that I produced using Jasper AI. I'm going to talk you through how I produce the content, how I leverage the various tools on Jasper AI to get the content just as I wanted it to be, and yeah, how you can essentially speed up the your entire writing workflow by leveraging a tool like Jasper AI, which uses GPT-3 to, in just a very short space of time, produce tons of high quality content that you can use as affiliate content that you could use as kind of like an SEO play on your website, and also short form content that you can use on social media. So this is what I essentially did to create this article. So I started with the H2 subheaders. So that's an example, that's another example. All of these are SEO optimized and include the various key phrases I wanted to target, kind of infuse them naturally into the H2 subheaders and turn them into questions. So the very first thing I did when I created this piece of content is I added those H2 subheaders to the document, and then by just pressing enter underneath all of them, I then pressed Control J, compose this button here, and let Jarvis work its magic. So Jarvis wrote all of this, all of these paragraphs, with the exception of the very beginning. I like to give Jarvis something to work with, a sentence starter. It really speeds up the process, and you're almost giving Jarvis guidance. You're pushing it in the right direction. And once it's going in the right direction, you can just let it work its magic and stuff. And the quality just, it is very consistent. So we're actually going to add, I'm going to show you how this works. We're going to add another subheader. Where can you find the best pickleball shoes? We're going to turn that into H2 subheader. Now I'm going to give it a sentence starter. If you want to find the best pickleball shoes, add a comma. Now next thing we're going to do is I could press compose here, or I could press Control J, whichever. Press compose. We recommend checking out Amazon. So now Jarvis is just working its magic. Really happy with how this content is turning out. I'm going to continue pressing compose because I'm happy with how things are going. I just want it to work its magic. Don't forget 10,000 words free, link in comments, link in the description. You really need to use this tool. So one thing I've noticed is this paragraph looks awfully similar to this one, or at least the end of it, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this. I'm going to press the rephrase button up here in the top right hand corner. It's now going to give me a suggestion. Okay, so it's rephrased it for me. I'm not quite happy with how that's rephrased, so I'm going to get it to try again. That reads really nicely. I'm going to press replace text. And there you have it. Press Control J again, the compose button. Now it's suggesting another H2 subheader, which is great. So once it's just finished typing, okay, and I'm going to turn that into H2 subheader just for consistency. And yeah, so as you can see, the content is coming along really nicely. Naturally, there are edits that I will want to make, and I do like to leverage the rephrase tool, what I like to call the magic tool, to really get the content to the level that I want it to be at, to really engage the reader, because this ultimately acts as affiliate content for me. And yeah, 10,000 words free, link in the comments, link in the description. You need to use my link. Don't just go and type up Jasper AI on Google, because you're not going to get access to those 10,000 words free. Go and check it out. Go and see what this tool can do for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy to talk through any questions that you may have and help you get the most out of this tool. Thank you for your time. Speak to you soon.